Buckle up and let's go on the annual girls' vacation. Come with us. Vacation starts with a little bit of planning. I had to do 2 weeks of Timmy's meal prepping, which wasn't too bad. It took me one afternoon. This is what 14 breakfast, lunch, and dinners looks like, and it's all finished. And I made my own breakfast and lunches, so here's what I made. Buffalo ranch cauliflower wings. I used some frozen cauliflower, sprayed it with a little bit of olive oil, doused it in nutritional yeast because it's delicious. Used a little bit of Frank's hot sauce. Don't use the buffalo sauce, they add other things to it. I just use the regular hot sauce. And can you have too much? I don't think so. Then I add some smoked paprika because it gives it a little bit of a smoky flavor. Regular paprika works also. Some homemade ranch seasoning. You can use ranch packets, but I like to make my own. Then you mix it all up so everything's nice and coated. I have a silicone baking tray that I put in my air fryer because it fits perfectly. I did a couple batches of these because you want one nice layer so everything gets nice and crispy. My air fryer is kind of big, so I turned up the heat a little bit and then I cooked it for about 40 minutes. You can cook it longer, stir about halfway for even roasting until your desired crispiness. And there I have vegetables for my lunches every day. We arrived just in time for dinner and we went to one of our favorite places, which is a Hoo-Hot Mongolian grill. Like a salad bar, but they cook it all. Vacation day 1, we had our breakfasts that we packed. Made an upside down pineapple pecan pie thing, and Mom had the mango bake but with cherries. We made the latte upside down spice cake, which looks so yummy, and she had a nice tea on the side. Me and Mom had a coffee. Doesn't that look delicious? When we planned this trip, we really looked at what hotels we wanted to stay at, and we wanted a full fridge, which this hotel had. And it has a griddle and a microwave and a sink and a coffee maker. This hotel did not have a continental breakfast, so it was nice to have the full fridge so we could fit all of our lunches and breakfasts in there. And that filled 2 whole coolers. Day 1 of lunches, I had my air-fried cauliflower, and then Kelly made us cheesecakes, which looks so yummy.
Kelly made us cheesecakes because she's so nice.
These freeze and thaw perfectly. As you can tell, they're delicious. And yes, I might have brought my own chopsticks from home. I like them just a little.
Cheers!
After our afternoon coffee siesta, we went on the Lewis and Clark boat ride, which was very fun. This is our captain. And then we loaded onto the boat and we went to the top deck. The rain had just stopped in time enough for us to enjoy the beautiful day. We had a nice breeze. Everybody on the boat was very nice. We got to see beautiful mansions all on the Missouri River. After our boat ride, it was time for dinner, so we went to Ruby Tuesdays, which has a fabulous salad bar, as you can see. They had chickpeas and pepitas, which are roasted pumpkin seeds. So many vegetable options. The dressings were fabulous. They even had beets and some bacon on the side. Cottage cheese. It was very yummy. That's the end of day 1. Thanks for coming along.